hate going into the office.
Hello, I hope this email finds you well.
I can't find the chicken. Imagine not having rice. I love all of that.
Girly pop.
Time to go to Starbucks. That was a good break from work. I put too much cinnamon. So good. Hi guys, good morning. So it's Wednesday, which is really weird because I usually film on Saturdays and Sundays, like the weekend, because during the weekday I'm working. But I wanted to take you guys along my day of working from home because I feel like not a lot of people know what I do, and y'all really want to know what I do for work and how I do my work. So I guess this video is gonna be that. If you guys don't know, I am a graphic designer and I basically make posters, flyers, banners, logos, brochures, and stuff like that. Yeah, that's pretty much what I do. I go into the office 3 days a week and I work from home 2 days a week. And yeah. Y'all know I'm super open about my struggle with that. I hate going into the office. I don't know what it is, but I feel like sometimes when I go into the office, I'm not feeling my best. It just makes me feel like I'm in an endless cycle of doom. I love my coworkers. I love the job that I do. I love everything about it. I just hate going into the office, which is really weird. I just get really anxious about being around so many people and feeling perceived, if that makes sense. But like, I do like talking to people, so it's just such a weird struggle in my mind. Like, I don't want to talk to anyone, but at the same time, when I do talk to someone, it's totally fine and it feels nice. Like a social interaction is nice. So I'm just like struggling with that a lot. And yeah, like everyone at the office is super nice. The culture is amazing, but I just feel really anxious. And I think that might just be me and how I process things. So in conclusion, all in all, I just get really stressed out from going to the office. Anyway, let's get back on topic. Working from home today, let's start our day. I'm gonna set you guys over here. I like never put my dishes away. Oopsie. Anyway, basically what I have set up here is my work laptop and my big monitor up here. Let me just like connect to this because I was editing one of the glow up videos last night, and so I need to change out the HDMI cable. Let me show you guys my setup here. This is the setup. I have my monitor and my laptop just set up here and they're connected. I'll just give you like a run through of like what I do in the morning. I will typically, what is this light on my thing here? Oh, I'm sorry you guys had to hear that. I'm not cutting that out. So basically when I get to my desk, I will check my email and see if anyone has come back to me with any edits for any of the projects that I've been working on. And then I will check our shared inbox. So basically my team has a shared inbox and people will email that inbox. And if there's any requests, I can look through it and see if I can help out anywhere. And then after that, I'll check my team's messages. And then after that, I'll check my calendar to see what meetings I have today and what the vibe is, you know? I'm looking at my calendar now and I just have a one-on-one with my manager. So I'm gonna get ready for that. Guys, sometimes I feel like working like at a corporate job is so aesthetic. Like imagine like you're just sitting at your desk and you're like, got my keyboard. You're like,
Hello, I hope this email finds you well. I would love your assistance on supporting this project.
like, is that just not so like I'm a grown-up? Like I feel like I'm an adult. I want some headphones because I feel like that would just complete the whole look, because I don't have headphones. I just have like normal earbuds. But like headphones, it's giving like, don't talk to me. I'm working. I'm working. Hello? Yeah. And like with a little microphone. Oh! Anyway, I do want to go to Best Buy and like look at the headphones though, because I've been thinking of getting myself a birthday gift next week, because every year I get myself a birthday gift. So I'm like, oh, like maybe I should do that. Maybe I'll go with my dad later. We'll see. Anyway, So right now I'm working on a quarterly report for the company, and it's basically just like a brochure type thing that has a super strict deadline. So during these times where I'm working on this book, it's like go, 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 go. Like, girly, you gotta get this in ASAP. It's stressful, but it's kind of like the fun type of stress. It's like, we gotta get it in, we gotta work, you know? Anyway, let me get back to work. Okay, I just finished my one-on-one with my manager, and I'm hungry, so I'm gonna eat a snack. Blueberries. Why can't I not open these? These are washed, by the way, okay? I washed them and I just in here. But I have some work to do. It's 11 a.m. And then maybe we can go to Best Buy and check out the headphones. Because I want headphones. Okay, I gotta get back to work. See ya. Okay, so it is almost noon and I am getting really hungry. So I'm gonna eat lunch right now. And then I think my dad and I are gonna go to Best Buy. And I wanna go to Starbucks. So I'm gonna try to convince him to go to Starbucks with me because I want Starbucks. And it's also 50% off all cold drinks after 12 p.m. on Wednesdays. So let's go eat lunch. I can't find the chicken. Is it in the other fridge? I'm too lazy to make veggies and I'm using a spoon. Sue me. So yummy. So good. Imagine not having rice. That's illegal. I also want some tomatoes for a snack, so I'm just gonna wash some of these. I also got some PR packages, so let's open them. Oh wait, I forgot to turn the light off. All right, let's open up these packages, shall we? Got 2 packages. It's only 11 a.m. Let's see. Oh, Bean. This is not for you. Matte cream blushes. Cute. Let's open it and see what's inside. It's literally like marbled blush. That is so pretty. I love all of them. This is perfect for like a winter, like a hot pink. This is perfect for summer, and this is for spring. Wait, these are so cute. Anyway, thank you, Paulette, and thank you, Diane, for sending them. Next package. Oil Control Mattifying Moisturizer and Oil Control Balancing Cleanser. Cool. I'm excited to try these out. Anyway, I gotta hurry up. I gotta go change, and then we're gonna go to Best Buy really quick and hopefully Starbucks. Let's get going. Okay, figuring out what to wear. It's like not that chilly out, so I think I'm just gonna wear this brandy long sleeve. Okay. Wait, I don't like how my bra shows like that. Yeah, this is too much. I can't. I feel very overstimulated in this, and maybe it's because it's too tight. Girly pop, girly pop. Okay, I'm just gonna wear this shirt. I wore this to work yesterday, but no one has to know that. All right, I got these sweats from my mom made it. They just came in after like years of waiting for them to ship. Sweats. But anyway. Let's go. Ready to go?
Is it Graham? Taking care of Graham?
I know. I do this every time.
There you go so fast.
Yeah, because I know. It's muscle memory. Okay. We're here. What long is it?
See, they all like that. When you close it, it pop out.
Trying to find these headphones is so difficult. Okay. JBL. Bose. Aww. to Starbucks. Hi, is it 50% off cold drinks?
Yeah, if you have the app.
Could I get an iced brown sugar shaken oat milk espresso?
For that one, it wouldn't, the 50% off wouldn't apply. It would have to be like a not espresso.
Okay. Is there something similar to that I can get?
It would be like cold brew or iced coffee.
Got it. Okay. Could I do the just like a cold brew with vanilla syrup in it? Okay, thank you.
So yeah, that was the one. That was, and then this one doesn't apply. That one doesn't apply.
Ooh! You're scamming me.
Yep, that's right.
Thank you. You have a great day. You too. Taste test.
Not good.
Mmm.
Not good.
No, it's good. Okay, y'all. I just got back. Ugh. I'm just really upset that I couldn't get my ice shaken brown sugar shaken espresso with cold foam for 50% off. So I had to get this freaking cold brew, and it's too sweet. She added way too much sugar. I mean, it was only $2, so I can't really complain. But like, I was expecting that I could get my shaken espresso. Whatever. Well, that was a good break from work. Now I have to get back into doing this project. And I think the rest of the day is just gonna be very chill. Back to work.
My mouth shut. It's just better making my mouth shut. Okay?
I've been sitting here for the past like 2 hours on my phone scrolling. It's 7:15. Finished work 2 hours ago. I feel like after work, my brain just gets so fried. And like, I don't even have to be doing the most like crazy things at work. Like, it could be like a very manageable workload, but I'm still just so like mentally tired from the fact that I had work, if that makes sense. It's like, it's not like I'm saving lives, but I'm still tired. I don't get it. Sometimes I feel like I don't deserve to be tired, but it is what it is. I feel like this is a good turning point for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed my work from home day. Super boring. Like, all I do is stay home and work, and then I go to sleep, and then I wake up and I do it all over again. But yeah, it's pretty much a very realistic work from home day, other than the fact that I went out to Best Buy and Starbucks. Usually I don't do that. Usually I just stay home, and during my lunch break I watch Suits on Netflix. But today there was a little change in the schedule. Kind of good. Anyway, I'll catch you guys next time. Hope you guys enjoyed. Love you so much, and bye.